Kung have you talked with Secretary Bonoan regarding this incident, tsaka yung wish nyo rin na maging state witness nga ang kawani ng DPWH?
I have not been able to talk to Secretary Bonoan, but I thank him for making his public statements yesterday disowning the alleged acts of bribery, and pray that there will be more action, because the truth is, all of us know that there's a lot more like this. Nagkataon lang dito ay meron tayong hinuli or nahuli. Pero kung maging consistent tayo sa mga sinabi ni Secretary Bonoan, dapat po talagang much more than isang district engineer ang huli para sa mga action na ito.
Are you willing to have a discussion with him, Secretary Bonoan, regarding this incident and later investigation pa po?
I would be glad to, but I think that he knows much more than me. So, nasa kanya na lang po kung ano ang nasa konsyensya niya ang dapat niya gawin para sa ating bansa.